Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, this is the main street of Garapan, the main town. I think it's like Bubba Gump, fresh fish food, fresh fish food, seafood. So okay, this is the main street that goes through north to south. It goes all the way up, and yeah, basically this is the heart of the island, basically. And right there, they're building a. I think it's built by the Chinese. I read a lot about it, but it looks like it's they stopped building it. I thought it was already up and running and already making a lot of money, but I think I heard that it had a lot of money laundering kind of stuff. Like basically, it's like earning a lot of income, but it was like all kind of dirty money, basically. So I heard, you know, Las Vegas was the biggest one in the world, and then Macau eclipsed it. And Macau is pretty well known for having a lot of corruption as well, but then the Chinese government tried to clap down on it, and I think that they succeeded, from what I hear. Well, I'm living there, so what I observe as well. And but I've been hearing that Saipan is eclipsing Macau for earnings and profits, and it's all because of what I thought was this casino. Maybe that is open, but it looks like it's all under construction. But if it's under construction, then it's and there's some really shady stuff going on, because there's not much of the gambling industry. I mean, there's a lot of poker tables absolutely everywhere. Okay, all-American pizza, Southern fried chicken, giant burgers. Huh. It's kind of funny because I guess if you're coming from Japan, they would want to. I think in Japan they usually try to eat more of the local stuff, so they want to see what people are eating in the places they travel to, and I think Korea is getting more like that too. Didn't used to be. Shin restaurant. So what we're going to do in a minute is we're going to walk down to this kind of main street here. There's like a little plaza. Actually, I'll turn off the camera until we get there. Every time I turn it off. There's a Fiesta Hotel. I saw that was $200 a night, and it's like mostly families, but they have beach access. Not really sure where the clear beach is, you know, like a Waikiki beach. It seems like these are owned by the hotels, but I haven't really I did drive around the island, but it's a little bit more inland. Like when you see beach signs, you have to get off the road to get to them and drive towards them. I don't know, it's kind of different. Like when you're in the Hawaiian Islands, you basically almost all of them, but you can drive along the ocean almost everywhere. So you have this view, you know, mountains on one side, ocean on the other. It's not like that here. Karaoke bar, Taiwan beef noodle. So now we're kind of getting near this pedestrian street. Bubble tea. And I guess this is gonna get hopping at nighttime, especially on a Saturday, I think. So we'll come back later and see. Looks like there's a little bit. So okay, massage place. Not surprisingly, Paris croissant, Saipan fresh hema. So okay, King's jewelry. So looks like this is the main drag of everything. Real estate agency. Smile Massage has the top floor, and there's a bunch of Chinese lanterns up there. King's Club organic shop. Yeah, this is I don't know what's gonna happen. This whole place could become amazing, I guess. But I guess it's very touristic oriented no matter what. King's Club. I don't know what that one is. Yeah, I guess it's still a little bit early in the morning, but it's not that early. I mean, you got tourists walking around. Garapan Square. These are the real estate ones. If you're curious about the prices of real estate, I don't see the prices on them, but you can always look at the website. Okay. Yeah, I don't see. When you don't see the prices, you know something's fishy. Pool bar, Korean restaurant, Chinese casino. Okay, here's a Saipan tourist shop. Souvenirs, food, beach. Subway restaurant, okay. I love Saipan. Actually, when you're in the little I love Saipan shops and the ABC shops, then it's like you feel like you stepped into Hawaii, because they have all kinds of products in there. You know, like tons of really cool Hawaiian shirts and all kinds of stuff to buy. But it's kind of ridiculous just to come here just to buy stuff like that. Yeah, and like this one right here is a Japanese restaurant, but then, you know, you could be in Japan and you'd have like 50 million of them. Organic. It's okay. Another Mirage Spa Melody Club. Okay. So it looks like you got another one over here too. Another ABC stores. I think we're gonna walk right through this pretty quickly as well. It looks like it's like some restaurants. Koban is like Japanese for police station. I used to live in Japan, so this is kind of funny. I guess that's comforting for Guangzhou restaurant, Chinese. Yeah, Koban police station, and there's a little police thing there too in English. Okay, here's another Japanese place, Kinpachi barbecue. It smells good. It smells like they got Korean. Kind of smells a bit. Oh, it's all Japanese. Yeah. Okay. Kyudon. Another a W club. I don't know what that is. It's not like clubs and karaoke places. So yeah, I guess if you want to go to the beach, you have to go into the resorts. So okay. I guess we'll walk down a little bit more. I don't know what to think. Kind of curious, where do people go for the beaches anyways? Kinpachi restaurant. I guess quite a few Japanese restaurants, eh? Actually, there's a lot of flights that go in and out of Japan, I noticed. So, okay. Garapan restaurant, sushi. There's a little dog. Korean. Another spa. 30 minutes for $10. Okay. Up ahead I see a faux Vietnamese O2 spa, oxygen spa. So, alright. Hello. It's like a Korean coconut tea restaurant. Verde spa, green spa. Verde is green in Portuguese and Spanish too, I think. Okay, there's a Hyatt Regency over there. Yeah, we've almost walked across most of this already. Food court, Micro Beach Hotel. Oh, there's also a gun range here too. Yeah, this is a shooting range. Yeah, it's very Vietnamese pho. That sounds really good. I already ate though. Huh. This one is looks like Chinese. Looks like Hong Kong-ish. Near the house, Shao Xun Xing. Okay, so there's another poker one, best poker. Man, I don't know. I guess it's better than me driving through it with a camera. Some cactus there. I guess it's, I did see somewhere early on the road that I said like fire risk today. I didn't realize it was kind of dry like that. So okay, I think we're just gonna keep on walking straight. Just to get a feel for Saipan. You might be wondering about prices in Saipan. They don't seem too bad, really. Had 2 soft tacos today because I don't live in the United States, so I just want. Sometimes it's like comfort food when you when I see them, which is almost once every couple years. 2 soft tacos is $2 each, so it's like $4 for both, which actually isn't too bad. Okay, here's another Korean restaurant. Face-to-face restaurant. Korean restaurant, so Daora guest house. I don't know what that one is. Daora could be Korean. Sounds more Indian, but like if they hit poker parking. There's Daora Market. I don't know, I guess it's okay, Godfathers Bar. So let's just walk up here a little bit, take a look. Kind of want to get closer to that right there. Godfathers Bar. So we're gonna walk across, take a look. Like a computer game graphics images there. Goose Island Pier. That looks like the actor, right? The actor's painting. Alaskan Amber, Brooklyn, Coney Dog. All the New York theme, Alaskan theme. Godfather Bar, Godfather Beer. Okay. And over here there's another Korean restaurant. Oh, and I think all those little windows, I think those are Hi. Hello. I think those are for the karaoke rooms, I think. Cheers Karaoke Bar. Huh. And there's another bar right here. Bud Saturday, $17, so. Escape to Paradise Pacific Island Inn. Oh, it's a hotel inn. Huh. Didn't realize that. I wonder how much that one costs. So we're just gonna walk down this way. That's a Chinese restaurant there. Real estate. Okay, Cantonese kitchen. So I think this kind of sums it up. Maybe it'll be livelier later, and I'll take the camera out. At the moment, I think you've seen it me drive through it a couple times, and now you've seen me walk through it as well. And I think this is basically it. We'll see if it's lively later on in the evening, I guess, eh? I imagine I was going to walk up and down all the different streets, but as I walk down a few, I can see that it's okay, over here is a taco place. Loco and Taco, or Coco and Taco. I can't see first couple letters hidden behind a tree there. Loco and Taco. Crazy and Taco, okay. Paseo is like walkway. That's weird. It's weird how that's in Spanish. I guess it was. Okay. Saipan. Well, I think that kind of sums it up. You see, this is a, okay. We walked by these earlier. The karaoke bar.
Chiquinha,